everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna be guiding you through how you can easily restore your purchases in OTR 2. If you want to restore purchases in OTR 2, whether you have switched to a new device or reinstalled the game, simply go ahead and launch open the game first on your device, whichever device you are using. And once you're inside the game, go ahead and tap on the menu icon at the top left corner from your game section, and you'll see this interface. Simply select the options tab from the top center, and inside options, you'll see the restore purchases button. Tap on it and wait for the game to verify your previous purchases. Once the process is completed, your eligible purchases should become available again. So that is how you restore purchases in OTR 2. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.